Hey guys, I'm back with you again with the channel about effective trading, MaxBot. I use a paid tool with an average of 90% signal accuracy, but right now you can pick it up for free and forever with full features. The promotion is valid for 1 month, hurry up. The link is in the description. Take the robot for free and forever and start making money. I will now demonstrate its power to you. I will enter several trades using his signals. The first operation will be conducted on the currency pair dollar, Japanese yen. The expiry time will be 3 minutes and the investment amount will be $70. I get a signal from the artificial intelligence very quickly. The robot issued a recommendation, lower. In this case it is necessary to press the red button on the pocket option broker. Let's understand the logic of this signal from the point of view of analyzing historical data. I will clearly show some points with the help of the TradingView service. So, what do we see? A long period of consolidation, and in the last few minutes there have been several moments where sellers have accumulated significant volumes and saturated the market. After that, the price has risen a bit, but I think that given the overbought condition that can be seen in the stochastic oscillator, there will be a bounce from the resistance area downwards, which will be the deciding factor for the trade to close lower than our entry point. I think that the robot noticed the moment of market overboughtness and analyzed all related factors that can change the situation. The price is moving in a fairly narrow corridor and the amplitude is not too strong. I think that there will be no big changes in this movement within our 3-minute time frame. Let's wait for the result, friends. I am confident in the strength of the robot. He is thinking like a trader with a huge, varied 9 years of successful trading experience. And now I'll tell you about something else important. Friends, there is a contest on our channel with a cool prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. Get maximum knowledge and maximum benefits. Our team is trying to make you develop. Get the bot now if you haven't already. And yes, the super promotion lasts until the end of the month, so I recommend you to get this tool right away, because without the promotion you can only pick it up for a fee. Now you can get it for free and forever via the link in the description. Follow the bot's instructions and get to work. You will also have access to VIP chat with analytics and predictions from experts. So, in the meantime, I got the first positive result within this trading session. $63 is already in my pocket. In the second trade I will enter on the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen, expiry time 2 minutes. The investment amount is much higher, $170. The forecast from artificial intelligence is lower. In the message with the signal there is additional information about volatility and news background. The influence of news is weak now, and price fluctuations are reduced. I entered the market by pressing the red button. What can be said about the historical data in this case? So, I see on the tick volume histogram that the bears have recently saturated the market powerfully. Before that, there was a persistent struggle for an hour, when both sellers and buyers were evenly and mutually active in the market. The price was moving for a long time in a narrow corridor in the state of consolidation. I think that the robot gave a lower signal because it saw an increase in the seller's potential taking into account their high activity in the last minutes. I think that the robot saw in this development an impulse that will make this trade profitable, and that is why it gave a lower signal. The price bounced off a strong resistance area. I think there will still be corrections within this trade, but we will end this run lower than the entry point. And now in front of you are testimonials from people who use MaxBot to the max. Thanks to this tool they make a lot of money and can realize their dreams very quickly. You can too. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The trust you put in it will justify itself in the first hours of work. And you can read all the reviews in a special Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. So, the second transaction ended with the result we expected. Thanks to the robot, it did everything right. The account received $153. Now I want to make the final step, a positive reinforcement to what we already have. I will enter the market for a larger sum of $300. The expiry time will be even shorter, 1 minute. Now I want to multiply my profits. The robot gives out a signal very quickly. But always check carefully which keys you press to avoid inaccuracies and misclicks. In 2 clicks you get the forecast. In this case, the artificial intelligence gave a signal to go up and indicated that now this currency pair is strongly influenced by the news background and increased volatility. The developers have taught the robot to use 30 indicators, price action, candlestick and technical types of analysis. Another really powerful advantage of MaxBot is its ability to work with over-the-counter currency pairs. You can earn when the exchanges are sleeping, at late hours, weekends and holidays. To get a list of OTC currency pairs, send the bot the command /OTC in chat. It will promptly provide you with a list of options. It's a paid tool, but right now you can pick it up for free and forever with full features, no restrictions. The promotion is valid for 1 month, hurry up. The link is in the description. Take this tool for free and forever and start earning good amounts. So, the final deal closed in plus. Total profit for 3 operations $486.70. You have seen the power of this robot. Did you like the video? Give it a like, subscribe and click the bell. We are preparing a lot of new interesting content. See you soon.